Business Bites, powered by Sagicor. Hello, I'm Cody Barrett, and these are your Business Bites. Montego Bay St. James will be getting a new tax office upgraded to a revenue service center. The announcement was made in the budget debate on Tuesday by Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, who revealed the features of the new development.
Madam Speaker, this tax office will feature the first ever drive-through teller at a tax office in Jamaica. It will be used for taxpayers in a hurry, Madam Speaker. Taxpayers who have mobility issues, who are young or have children in the car and can't leave the kids in the car, Madam Speaker. Thoughtful design, Madam Speaker, for a new era.
The building will also facilitate persons with disabilities. And the Jamaica Teachers Association rejected the compensation package of the government at a special conference on Wednesday. Out of a total of 578 ballots issued, 346 teachers rejected the package, while 227 accepted. The conference was called following a week of consultation with the JTA members island-wide. According to a media release from the JTA, in light of the overwhelming rejection, the association will be writing to the Ministry of Finance and Public Service outlining the outcome of the meeting and will be seeking an improved offer and a request to return to the bargaining table as soon as possible. And those were the Business Bites. I'm Cody Barrett.